Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So one question I'm sometimes asked is, a creditor is trying to put my company into liquidation. Should I appoint my own liquidator, or should I let them put my company into liquidation for me and appoint their choice of liquidator? In my opinion, the answer is it depends. If you choose to appoint your own liquidator, you get to speak with a number of liquidators and find one that you feel comfortable talking with. The liquidator should answer all of your questions without being judgmental or making you feel silly, and they should explain the liquidation process to you. Ideally, they would also explain how the liquidation process would look in your company's personal situation. For example, if you have plant and equipment, what would happen to that? And what would happen to certain debts that are in the company and owed by the company? However, in this particular situation, if there are no assets of the company and no prospects of any recoveries, the liquidator might ask you to contribute some amount towards their fees and costs of doing the liquidation. However, liquidators are also aware that people are coming to them, sometimes because there is no money left at all. So, in these cases, if there's no money and no assets, it may be best to let the creditor continue to liquidate the company. In that way, the company does end up in liquidation, which is good because it's usually not able to carry on trading by that point. And it means that you don't have to have assets or funds available to pay for a liquidator. So, hopefully that helps you decide. There are also many other factors, but if you're making this decision, it doesn't hurt to speak to a few liquidators anyway, just to find out some more information, and then you can make your best decision for your circumstances.